In a dense jungle, where the sun barely filtered through, lived a tiny brown seed named Junco. Unlike other seeds, Junco had an unusual ability: it could jump. One day, Junco overheard the other seeds talking about the magnificent trees where they would one day grow. Feeling envious, Junco decided to show them that jumping was not a disadvantage but an advantage. Junco jumped from the ground, landing on a bird's back. The bird, startled, took flight, and Junco found itself soaring through the jungle. Junco saw the beauty of the jungle from the bird's eye view, something the ground-bound seeds had never experienced. As the days went by, Junco jumped from one bird to another, traveling far and wide. He met different animals, learned about their lives, and shared his unique ability to jump. The animals were amazed and found humor in Junco's antics. However, one day, Junco landed on a cat. The cat, intrigued by the tiny jumping seed, tried to catch Junco. Junco, realizing the danger, used his jumping ability to escape. He jumped from the cat's paw, onto a nearby tree, and then onto a bird that was passing by. Back in his jungle, Junco told his story to the other seeds. They were amazed and inspired by his adventures. Junco had shown them that sometimes, what seems like a disadvantage can actually be a unique advantage. From that day forward, the seeds no longer saw Junco as a peculiar seed but as a friend who had taught them a valuable lesson. They learned to appreciate their differences and to use their unique qualities to their advantage. In the end, Junco, the humble jumping bean, taught the jungle a valuable lesson: embrace your unique qualities, for they can lead you to places and experiences you never thought possible. Moral: everyone has unique qualities that make them special. Embrace these qualities and use them to your advantage.